If you want to be able to use pnpm instead of npm on your AEM application to get more performance or use other features, in today's video I'll show you how. Hi there, I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! In today's video, I will create an AEM application, modify the root's pom.xml file, select a pnpm version, modify the ui.frontend's pom.xml file, build a project, and generate the pnpm-lock.yaml file. Let's start by using Adobe's archetype for creating our application. Go to Visual Studio Code, right-click on the left pane, and click on Open in Integrated Terminal. Then use the command to create your application. Remember to define the app title, app ID, and group ID. Let's expand the folder we just created and open the pom.xml file inside the project. Let's start by looking for instances of the word NPM. Now the first one that you see here is the version of NPM. So first, let's replace that with pnpm, and then we need to find the version for pnpm for our project. For that, go to npmjs.com and look for pnpm. You can choose the version at the top, or you can go to versions and then look for a version you are interested in. In my case, I'm fine with using the one at the top. Go to Visual Studio Code and replace the version. Let's keep looking for instances of NPM. For those, let's replace them with pnpm. Now this one is the one that executes the command when the build is running. So for now, let's change the argument from CI to install. Finally, save the file. We also need to modify the pom.xml file inside the ui.frontend folder. We need to perform the same process. Look for the instances of npm and then replace them with pnpm. Save the file, and we are done. So now, let's build the project with the usual command that we use for Adobe's archetype. While this is building, it should create a node folder with node modules and the pnpm package, and it will create the node modules as well. Also, given that we only put install, it will create a pnpm-lock file. Now with that, we can delete the previous one, and we can change here the command so that it does not generate or update the log file. And with that, you can just push the code to your repository. Congratulations and thanks for watching. You can find a link to the post in the description below. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.